Well, it's a different kind of field trip, one where kids can receive free dental care. About 200 children rode the bus to the UT Health San Antonio School of Dentistry this morning. The second graders were from Edgewood ISD. Dental students and faculty gave the children free screenings and sealants. They also taught the children about taking care of their teeth. The students and staff wanted to make sure the children had a positive experience.
I think just using terms that they understand, saying sugar bugs instead of cavities and kind of describing our little tools as little shampoo and conditioner for their teeth. I think that kind of makes it more enjoyable for them.
This community service project between the School of Dentistry and Edgewood ISD has been going on for 16 years now. The dental school has been able to treat more than 10,000 children.